Good morning, Year 3, and welcome to Day 3 of Maths, where we're learning about volumes. Today we are going to learn to add and subtract volumes. But first we'll go through the answers from yesterday's task. If you pause the video, you can check all your answers. Okay, so first we'll look at addition of volume. So Sanji has 2 bottles of lemonade, and we can see this one has 4 litres of lemonade and this one has 2 litres of lemonade. He pours all the lemonade into glasses for his friends, so he's used all of the lemonade in these 2 bottles. How much lemonade do his friends drink altogether? So you can see here I've drawn a model. We have one for 2 litres and one for 4 litres. And the word altogether also gives us the clue about how we're going to work that out. We'll add 4 litres and 2 litres together and work out then that his friends drink 6 litres of lemonade altogether. So we'll read this one through and then I'd like you to have a go at this before I give you the answer. A water tank contains 27 litres of water. Darren fills up the tank with another 16 litres of water. How much water does the water tank contain now? So again, I've drawn a model, and hopefully in that model you can get a clue as to what kind of operation you're going to carry out, as well as the word problem itself. Pause the video and have a go at that. Okay, so we can see that this model is an addition model. It already had 27 litres of water and we're bringing in another 16. He adds another 16 litres. So we're adding 27 and 16 together, and you should have come up with the answer of 43 litres. So the tank contains 43 litres of water now. And we'll look at a couple of subtraction problems. So Tommy and Nisha are washing cars. They have 32 litres of soapy water. They use 17 litres of soapy water. How much water do they have left? So on our model here we can see 32, and we know that that's made up of 17 litres which they use, and then we have an unknown volume left behind. Now we're taking away from the model, so that gives us the clue that we are subtracting 17 from 32. And hopefully you will mentally be working that out just now, and that is 15 litres of soapy water left. And here's another example. So we'll read through it, and I'd like you to pause the video and see if you can do this yourself first. On sports day, Year 3 drink 34 litres of water, and Year 4 drink 27 litres of water on the same day. How much more water does Year 3 drink than Year 4? I've drawn the model for you, so you can pause that and have a go answering the question. So here we have the model for Year 3, which is 34 litres. We know that Year 4 drank 27 litres. And when we look at the 2 models alongside each other, this is the part here that we're trying to work out. And to do that, we have to take the 27 away from the 34. So 34 minus 27 leaves us with 7 litres. So Year 3 drinks 7 litres more than Year 4. And finally, Farmer Jones has 95 litres of milk to sell on Sunday. He sells 16 litres of milk in the morning and 45 litres in the afternoon. How much milk does he have left? So there are a couple of steps to this problem. You can't just work it out straight away. First of all, you need to work out how much he sold in the first place. So to do that, we have to add the 16 litres that he sold in the morning to the 45 litres that he sold in the afternoon. These 2 parts here. So we know that that will give us 61 litres. Then we will know how much is left, because it's made up of 3 parts, the model, the 95 litres in total, the 2 parts that were sold, and the part that's left. So he sells 61 litres and he is left with 34 litres because we subtract the 61 from the 95. So on to today's task. So I've given you some word problems. I'm not going to read them all out to you. If you want to pause the video, or you may have printed it out. But you will need to do a bar model, or I'd like to do a bar model. I know some of you will be able to do these mentally, but please just get into the habit of drawing bar models as well, so that when the questions do become more complicated, you'll be familiar with how to use a bar model to help you. And also write the number sentence to show your thinking. Some of them are one step. There will be a couple that are two step as well, where you will need to do more than one calculation to work out your answer. So there's 6 questions and I'll give you the answers to them tomorrow.